Going on, guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to learn the most easiest and practical way to create long shadow effect in Coreldraw. So if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell in order not to miss any of my future upload. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So what you need to do, I'm going to just shift this and put it somewhere here, okay, so that we can see and compare what we are doing. So first thing first, so you get your rectangle from here. So you draw a rectangle, okay, just like this. You take it from here and draw a normal rectangle, and then you can resize this. Just resize this 1080 by 1080, all right, and click enter on your keyboard. All right, so when you press enter on your keyboard, it will align it, and press letter P on your keyboard to take it to the center of the page, and then come over here and right click on this red stroke, and then click on set outline color. All right, so you have something like this. So you now have your background set. So the next thing you are going to do, you come here and click on the text tool, and then start typing. So whatever you want to type, maybe long shadow. Let's use the same thing. I think the same text rather. Long shadow effects, as the case may be. So long shadow effects. So you can change the fonts. I prefer to use Captain Book is just fine. So let's use the same fonts anyways. So you drag it up something like this. All right, so we are going to have this. So okay, so we now have our text ready for long shadow effects. Okay, now the next thing we are going to do, we are going to come to your text, that's your tools box, and come to this particular shadow tools box, and then click on it. So you now come down, you will see extrude. I hope that's the right pronunciation. So this is what you have to, this is the particular one you will click on this particular extrude. So once you click on it, then you come to your text and then drag like this. Click on the text and drag like this. All right, so you have something like this. All right, so the reason why you are having this is because the text, the color of the text and the color of the extrude, that's the shadow effect, is the same. So you have to now click on this little line here in the middle. Just click and drag in order to give you that extrude long effect. So just click and drag. All right, something like this. Click and drag just like that. All right, while you can just come close and take this small line and drag it just like this in order to give you that long, as long as you want. You can just drag it, keep dragging it, you know, and then once that is done, you can return your pick tool. So return your pick tool, and then click on it again, then right click immediately. So you will see break extrude group apart. So click on it, and now so you now have the text different from the long shadow. All right, so we are going to give a color, separate the color. So let's give it a color. If you like to give this particular color, it's fine. If you want to use red, that's up to you. Whites, as you can see, this is what we have. So look at the whites. You can see the extrude, the shadow becomes very beautiful. Let's go back to this particular color. I think I prefer this. So we already used the green one before, so was it this? I think lighter than that. Okay, now so as you can see, this is the one we use over here. So let's use this particular one that looks like an orange, sorry, kind of light green color, whatever. So that's how you create your long shadow effect, guys. So the next thing you are going to do in order to make it look beautiful over here, so you need to now power clip this black. Mind you, you can change the color of this particular one. So if you want to change the color to this type of color, it's fine. So you can also change it to this, you can change it to this, likewise you can change it to this. All right, so I prefer black. All right, so now power clip this particular black one into the frame, or you can just group everything, group the text and the long shadow, just group it onto your property bar, click on group, and then right click on it immediately and you power clip it into the frame. So in order to make your design look neat, I believe you have seen something like this before. All right, so this is how you can create your long shadow text effect. So tell me what you think under the comment section, and